to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to Sierra Leone on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have made this video where how you can do this on desktop, okay, but in this video I'm going to show you in mobile device. So in front of you I have opened this Sierra Leone eVisa website. You can go to FAQ because a lot of queries that you may have can be clarified with this, right? So all these queries like who can apply, another thing, cost, okay, so that will be displayed, payment, which methods are being accepted, and how you are gonna get it. Okay, all right. So after doing this, you can go to the home page and you can start like if you want to check the status, you can come and check the status here. But if you come for the very first time, you need to start a new visa application. Okay. So first select your nationality. Do it as per your own case. I'm just doing a sample. Okay. So multiple entry costs 160 USD. Single entry cost 80 USD. So I'm going to select this multiple entry, okay, and I tap on apply. Coming down, so you have to put your email address and last name, and after clearing this captcha, you will get the code via email. That code you need to put in. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you. Okay, so the application begin. You need your passport, plan in advance, application acceptance. It can be denied too. Terms, condition and other things are given. So you should definitely read. Okay. I'm just, because it's a sample, so I'm just passing it through and I click on agree. Okay. So I'm going to put some sample information here and then we are going to proceed. Okay guys, so I have filled some sample information, given name, surname, gender, date of birth, document type, passport, nationality, occupation, purpose, host name, address and other things. So definitely like you should do as per your case. I'm just putting it sample. I click on save. Okay. Now if you go and check out, it's giving you the visa fee. So if you go and check out, it's going to ask you to make the payment and then it's going to ask you to upload the documents that were asked. Now there's an $8 fee also that will be applied. So with this and in the next step after the payment, you're going to upload your documents that were asked, passport and other things to support your application, and then if approved, all good. So of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.